started teaching history for the first time, it was, I think, exactly 10 years ago in 2014. It's been 10 years now.
Pius has come out with a compelling book on history.
You have to have the ability to finish everything in specified number of hours and pages. Only then you can clear the exam. तो वो तो attempt इसमें किया हुआ ही है. This book is as comprehensive as it can be. History is not only a set of facts. It is not, and that is a misconception which makes people feel कि ये बड़ा boring and tiring and heavy subject है. How to memorize, how to ratify, etc. बिल्कुल नहीं करने की जरूरत है. You should understand what is the meaning of history.
Sometimes I think I've heard that you play music also in class.
Almost. The purpose of this book is to help you revise everything very quickly just before the exam. History is mother of all subjects and also a child of all subjects.
What to skip and what to study.
कला धर्म की दासी होती है. In The Hindu, we have a news item on the front page where they have discussed कि new NCERT is coming, perhaps for 6th standard in next few weeks. तो अब देखो आपके पास ओल्ड एंड न्यू नहीं है, ओल्ड, न्यू एंड न्यूअर NCERTs है. तो अपने पास 3 सेट्स ऑफ NCERT हो जाएंगे, है ना. एक तो पुराने वाले, देन न्यू वाले एंड न्यूअर वाले. और ये सवाल और गहन होते जाएगा आगे जाके, कौन से पढ़े. अब तो 3 NCERTs हो गए. हिस्ट्री इज सीन बाय ऑल द गवर्नमेंट्स, बाय एवरीबडी, व्हीकल टू inculcate some ideas, some values in child.
Started asking more questions from medieval India and the cultural part of it. जो पहले भी पूछते थे पर अब बढ़ गया है कोई questions उसमें से, administrative part of it. How do you see this change and what would you like to suggest to students who are thinking of skipping medieval India now?
Don't skip. The second volume will be primarily on medieval India and culture associated with medieval India. Early medieval and medieval. Static नहीं रहती है, ना ही UPSC static रहती है. Everybody evolves. So in case of UPSC, you will see that they have started to become interested in medieval. This is a collection, albeit थोड़ा सा elaborated, of my class notes.
तो इसमें क्योंकि लिखा हुआ है CSC Prelims 2024, तो इसीलिए मुझे ये क्वेश्चन स्ट्राइक किया कि is it only for those who are preparing for UPSC?
So I'm sure it will be very helpful to those students who are preparing for state PCS as well as NET JRF. History is a subject जिसके PYQs कभी एक्सपायर नहीं होते, बिकॉज हिस्ट्री इज ऑलरेडी एक्सपायर्ड सब्जेक्ट. तो इन अ वे आपको 1979 से लेके आज तक जितने 45 ईयर्स अगर हुए हैं, वी हैव टू एटलीस्ट फॉर हिस्ट्री डू PYQs ऑफ ऑल ऑफ देम. इट इज़ समथिंग वी डिस्कवर्ड फ्यू ईयर्स अगो कि हिस्ट्री में कई सारी थीम्स रिपीट होते हैं, नॉट फ्रॉम प्रीवियस 5-10 साल बट फ्रॉम प्रीवियस 20-30 ईयर्स. 90% questions were from the class that we discussed. तो understanding comprehensive होना चाहिए. I was brought up in 1990s, which was the last generation of the pre-internet era on this earth. हम वो जनरेशन आखिरी है जो फ़ोन नंबर याद करती थी, अब वो ख़त्म हो गया है. साहित्य संगीत कला विहीनः साक्षात् पशु पुच्छ विषाणहीनः. It means that if you don't enjoy the literature, the music and the art, then you are as good as animal without the puchha and vishan.